Hey everybody, Les from Two Guys and a Mouse here. So as you can see behind me, I am standing in front of one of the bungalows at the Polynesian Village Resort and Bungalows. So today I'm going to take you on a tour of one of the bungalows at the Polynesian Village Resort, and I hope you enjoy it. So let's go inside and take a look around. Okay everybody, so I am already inside the bungalow at this point. I have come through the front door and I'm looking down the hallway. If you do see a strange person in this particular video, she is a DVC cast member who is the one who was actually giving me the tour. Here we are looking at the first bedroom. As soon as you walk in, that is a queen size bed. And then I will turn around here and you have a pull down bed. So a total of 3 people can sleep in this room. As you can see, there is a TV. The windows point back out to the sidewalk. And then here we have a closet, which gives you ample room to hang your clothes. There are some shelves, and then there's a spot on the floor that you can put a small suitcase in there. As we go back out into the hallway and we go into the next room, this is what I refer to as the master. It's not actually labeled that way on their floor plans, but it is the bigger of the 2 rooms. We can see there is a closet here with some storage, same as the other. There is some drawers, place to hanging clothes, extra pillows and blankets up top. You can probably squeeze a suitcase in there. And here are some windows that we look outside. So this is a lookout onto the private deck for this particular bungalow. And as we look out this window, that is the transportation center. So we are in the last bungalow. That's the one that they reserved to do the tours. The other ones you would have maybe a partial view of that, but not a big deal. And then this particular room has its own private bathroom. So we see a double vanity, a very large mirror that actually has a television built in, which is a very cool feature. We have a tub here. And then when I turn the corner, there is a walk-in shower. So if you wanted to watch TV while you're in the tub or the shower, kind of a nice feature. I always love their walk-in showers. They're nice and roomy. And then the toilet itself is a separate little room. So we're going to go back out into the hallway, and then here I'm going to take a look at what I'll refer to as the communal bathroom. So this would be for everybody else. A stackable washer dryer, which is always an awesome feature when you're staying on Disney property. And yes, we do laundry while we are on vacation. Kind of funny, people ask me about it when I'm speaking to them about taking vacations here, and it is nice to have it. A single vanity with a toilet, nice Hawaiian Polynesian decor, obviously a mirror, and then there is a separate area with a shower and single vanity. So someone can be using the toilet while someone else is taking a shower. Always nice, and they are separated. Now we were proceeding back out into the living quarters area. This is a drop-down Murphy bed that she's gonna partially pull down here. This will sleep too. This is the way that Disney has been going in a lot of the room refurbs, is a pull-down Murphy bed. Very nice, and it doesn't take up a lot of room. And as you can see, there's a sofa that you can sit on while it's up. Here is another drop-down bed below the TV. And then we're going to make our way out onto the deck. So there's a couple loungers here. As I turn the corner, you'll see a couple of hanging chairs, which we saw out of the door there, which leads back into the master bedroom. Again, the transportation center. And as we look across the lagoon, there is Magic Kingdom. So we're looking at Space Mountain. To the left of Space Mountain was the Neutron ride. There's the castle. And then I'm making my way up the monorail, and what you won't see, but up there it is, it's Grand Floridian Resort. So that's how close Grand Floridian is to the Polynesian. A seating area with a nice table, 4 chairs, and that is not a hot tub. That is what I call a plunging pool. So it is not very big, but it is nice and relaxing on a hot day, and again, it is not a hot tub. We're making our way back into the kitchen, where it is fully stocked, just like the Treehouse Villas at Saratoga Springs, which is always great. So you can actually bring groceries here and cook full meals. They give you all the pots, the pans, the dishes, the silverware, pretty much everything that you need. She's showing off the fridge and the freezer and like a small tray that you can put sodas and stuff in, or water bottles. And I'm just kind of going through everything here to show you what is included. Here's the trash can. And very nice. I do like the decorations. I do like the atmosphere and the ambiance of the bungalow. If you ever have the opportunity to stay here, hopefully we will one day. It is very, very nice. It's like having your own little house on Disney property. And that's about it. I'm going to start wrapping it up. So I hope you enjoyed this video. And as always, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for our channel. It tremendously helps us out. And please stay tuned for future reviews.